Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Podcast, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It's great to be here again today.
It really is. I'm so happy to record another episode. How are you today, David?
I'm doing great, thank you. But, I have to be honest.
Oh, what is it?
I'm a little hungry.
Hungry already? Did you skip breakfast?
No, I had breakfast, just not enough. I ate one slice of toast.
Just toast? Oh, David, that's too small.
Yes, I know. Maybe that's why I'm thinking about food now.
Well, you're in luck because our topic today is food and cooking.
Really? Perfect timing. Food is my favorite topic.
Mine too. Everyone loves food.
That's true. We all need it and we all enjoy it. So, Emily, let's start simple. What's your favorite food?
Oh, wow. That's a hard question. I like many foods, but if I must choose, I think my favorite is pasta.
Ah, pasta. A classic choice. What kind of pasta?
I love spaghetti with tomato sauce, a little garlic, and cheese on top. Simple but delicious.
That sounds so good. Do you cook it yourself?
Yes, I do. I actually love to cook.
Oh, that's great. So, you're a good cook.
I think I'm okay. Sometimes good, sometimes not so good.
That's honest. What was the last thing you cooked?
Let me think. Oh, last night I cooked fried rice with vegetables and eggs.
Oh, nice. I love fried rice. It's easy, colorful, and tasty.
Yes, and you can use anything you have in the fridge.
Exactly. I do that too. I call it my fridge surprise.
I like that name. So, what about you, David? Do you cook?
A little. I'm not a chef, but I can make breakfast.
Oh, what kind of breakfast?
Toast, eggs, maybe some fruit, and of course, coffee.
That's a nice breakfast. Simple but good.
Yes, but I have a question, Emily. Do you eat the same thing every day?
Not always. I like variety. Sometimes I have oatmeal, sometimes bread with jam, sometimes fruit and yogurt.
Sounds healthy.
I try to eat healthy during the week, but on weekends.
Ah, weekend food. Let me guess. Pizza?
Yes, pizza or burgers or fried chicken. Something fun.
Weekend food is the best food.
Yes, because you don't think about calories, you just enjoy it.
Exactly. And pizza is the king of weekend food.
I agree. What's your favorite pizza topping, David?
Cheese, mushrooms, and pineapple.
Pineapple? Oh, no, you're one of those people.
Yes, pineapple on pizza is delicious.
No, no, no. Fruit doesn't belong on pizza.
We already disagree.
Yes, you can keep your pineapple pizza and I'll have my cheese pizza.
Deal. So, pizza for both, just different styles.
Exactly. So, what about lunch, David? What do you usually eat for lunch?
For lunch, I often eat rice with vegetables and chicken or fish.
That sounds very balanced. Do you cook lunch yourself?
Sometimes, but usually I buy lunch from a small shop near my work.
Ah, I do that sometimes too. What's your favorite thing to buy?
I like noodle soup. It's hot, simple, and very filling.
Oh, yes, noodles. I love noodles too, especially spicy noodles.
Spicy noodles. You like spicy food?
Yes, a little bit. Not too spicy, just enough to wake me up.
I see. I can't eat spicy food very well. I cry and drink too much water.
Oh, poor David. You need to train your tongue.
Maybe I do. Or maybe I just eat sweet food instead.
Sweet food? Like dessert?
Yes, my favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. That's one of my favorites too.
Finally, something we both love.
Yes. Do you bake cakes, David?
No, I buy them. I don't have the patience for baking.
Baking takes time. You have to mix, wait, bake, cool, and decorate.
Exactly. Too many steps. I'd rather just eat it.
I'd rather skip to the best part.
That's right. But what about you, Emily? Do you bake?
Yes, I love baking. I bake cookies, cakes, and muffins.
Wow, that's impressive. You must have a kitchen that smells amazing.
Yes, when I bake, my kitchen smells like butter and vanilla.
Now I'm really hungry.
Me too. Talking about food always makes me hungry.
Me too. But food is more than just eating, right? It's also about sharing.
That's true. Cooking for friends or family is a great way to show love.
Yes. When my mother cooks for me, I always feel happy.
That's so sweet. What does your mother cook best?
Her best dish is chicken soup. It's warm, soft, and full of flavor.
Chicken soup is comfort food.
Exactly. When I'm sick, that's what I want.
My mom also makes great soup, but with vegetables.
Ah, so we both grew up with good soup.
Yes. Do you ever cook with your family?
Sometimes on weekends, we cook together, talk, and laugh. It's nice.
That's wonderful. Cooking together is fun and makes good memories.
Yes, and sometimes a little bit of a mess.
Yes, a messy kitchen means happy cooking.
That's a good rule. Emily, what about international food? Do you like trying food from other countries?
Yes, I love it. I've tried Japanese sushi, Korean bibimbap, Indian curry, and Italian pasta, of course.
Nice. I love Thai food. The flavors are amazing. Spicy, sweet, sour, all at once.
Oh, yes, Thai food is delicious. What dish do you like?
Pad Thai and green curry.
Yum! I like mango sticky rice for dessert.
Oh, yes, that's one of the best desserts in the world.
We're making everyone hungry, David.
Yes, maybe our listeners are opening their fridge right now.
So let's ask them something.
Good idea. Let's ask a food question.
Okay, listeners, tell us what is your favorite food?
And do you like to cook?
Write your answers in English in the comments below.
Yes, we read every comment. It's our favorite part.
And before we go, please don't forget to subscribe to Miss English Podcast.
And if you enjoyed this episode, give it a big like and share it with your friends.
That really helps our podcast grow, and we appreciate it so much.
Yes, thank you for listening and learning English with us today.
We hope you learned some new English words to talk about food and cooking, like bake, boil, fry, spicy, sweet, delicious, and dessert.
And remember, practice makes perfect. You can talk about food every day. It's a fun topic.
That's right. Talking about food in English is a great way to practice speaking.
Now, Emily, I think we both need to go eat something.
Yes, please. I can't record another minute on an empty stomach.
Okay, everyone. Thank you again for joining us today.
See you next time on Miss English Podcast.
Bye, Emily.
Bye, David. Bye, everyone.